This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get BNB on MetaMask. First, open your MetaMask wallet and locate the network selection drop-down at the top. Click on Add Network and then choose Custom Network. You'll need to input the specific details for the Binance Smart Chain, including the network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and Block Explorer URL. Double-check these details for accuracy before saving. This step connects your MetaMask to the BSC network. Next, you'll need to acquire some BNB. Head over to a trusted cryptocurrency exchange like Binance or KuCoin. After completing any required identity verification, you can purchase BNB using various payment options, such as a bank transfer or credit card. It's crucial to ensure you are buying the BNB token compatible with the Binance Smart Chain, often referred to as BEP20 BNB, to avoid any transfer issues later. Now let's transfer your BNB to MetaMask. Open your MetaMask wallet, ensure you are on the Binance Smart Chain network, and copy your wallet address. Go back to your exchange and initiate a withdrawal of BNB. Paste your MetaMask address into the recipient field. Critically, select the BEP20 network for the transfer. Confirm all details, especially the network, before finalizing the withdrawal. The transaction should complete in a few minutes. Once the transfer is complete, open your MetaMask wallet again. You should now see your BNB balance reflected under the Binance Smart Chain network. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment or refresh your wallet. You can now use this BNB to cover transaction fees, also known as gas fees, for any activities on the Binance Smart Chain. You can also swap it for other BEP20 tokens on various decentralized exchanges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.